welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Moong Dal Payasam. Very easy and delicious dessert recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pressure cooker and to this add half cup of moong dal. Dry roast for 5 minutes in low flame until you get a nice aroma. Now the moong dal is nicely roasted and the color is nice and golden brown. So clean wash it and again add it to the same pressure cooker. To this add 2 cups of water. Pressure cook for 4 whistles in medium flame. Allow the pressure to settle on its own and then open. The moong dal is nicely cooked and mashed. Keep this ready. Heat another pan. To this add half cup of jaggery and half cup of water. Mix well until the jaggery is completely dissolved. Now the jaggery is nicely done, so go ahead and add the cooked moong dal. Mix it well. Then add half cup of milk and mix well again. Then to this add 3 crushed cardamom, a pinch of salt and a pinch of dried ginger powder. Mix it well. Let this cook for 5 minutes in low flame until the payasam becomes thick. It's been 5 minutes now and the moong dal payasam is nice and thick. So fry some chopped coconut and cashews in 2 tablespoons of ghee and add it to the payasam. Mix it well. Now off the flame and then add half cup of thick coconut milk. Mix it well. Make sure to off the flame else the coconut milk will curdle. Let this sit for 5 minutes. Then you can enjoy this delicious dessert with your family and friends. Very easy and quick dessert recipe. So do try this moong dal payasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.